And that is a lot of what attracted me to learning more about your program, because I do think there's something, the way I look at it as someone who keeps taking swings at this, if I could have had helpful investors, let's just say, or even partners earlier in some of my things, I wouldn't have sold either on the, either way too early or on the downside after letting my ego get into play and other things in my own journey.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt, but yeah, timing on exit is impossible to time. So my catchphrase is always, the best time to sell your business is now. Because all the reasons you can come up with to not sell your business now are probably the reasons the buyer wants to hear. Like, it's going to be double the size next year, or I'm just about to win this huge contract. So in that situation, well, you just stick an earn-out linked to that future performance. If you really think it's going to hit it out of the park, you de-risk now, get your capital event now, and get a share of the upside if it does do what you expect it to do next year. And never underestimate the financial freedom a capital event gives you to be able to move on and become bigger and stronger.